Hi there. Let me show you how to create a hide element A/B test using our ABcommerce extension tool. First, on the A/B screen, choose Website element. Before we begin, make sure you have downloaded our extension. If you haven't done so yet, simply click on the Install Chrome extension button to install it. Now, let's continue to our online store. Clicking on Create A/B here will launch your store in a new tab, with the extension already open and ready to use. Next, navigate to the page where you want to run the test. In this case, I want to hide the quantity selector on this product page. To get started, I will click on Start First A/B Test. This will prompt me to name my test, so I will enter a name and proceed. Now, I need to select the element I want to modify on the screen. After selecting it, I will choose Hide Element from the list of available options. You will notice the element selector will indicate exactly which element is going to be hidden. Once I confirm everything looks correct, I will simply click Save to apply the changes. Next, I can configure additional settings to control the traffic split. This determines how the audience is divided between different versions of the test. I also have the option to define device targeting, meaning I can choose whether the test applies to desktop, tablet, or mobile users. Additionally, I can set a specific audience to ensure only certain visitors see the test. Once all settings are configured, I am ready to start the test. I just need to click Start A/B Test, and the experiment will begin running on my store. Now, let's open the test again to review the setup. Here we can see the different variants created by the test and verify that the hidden element is correctly applied. That's it. You now know how to create a hide element A/B test using our ABcommerce extension. To see more use cases and learn about our additional capabilities, be sure to check out our other videos.